Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2023 SEAT Arona FR. This car comes with the rare 1.5 petrol engine rather than the 1 litre, and the gearbox is the DSG automatic, which provides up to 148 brake horsepower and returns up to 49 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 18, and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 46,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is called the Nevada White and does look in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've also got the nice clean interior. Being the FR, you've also got the sports seats with the red stitching that matches the steering wheel. And there's 2 cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, in the centre there, you have your multimedia screen for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has climate control, cruise control on the left hand side of the steering wheel, the virtual cockpit display, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card your electric folding mirror and full window controls. Being a small SUV, the Arona has a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. A nice wide door opening too for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts as well. And opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there with the rear seats that can be folded flat, and you still have the parcel shelf in place. The boot floor is also adjustable on this model, so you can increase the height if you wish. And below that you've got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.